Hello everyone, welcome to Junction. In this video, let's see how to make uppercase Tangram alphabets A to Z. First, let's recap what is a tangram. A tangram is a dissection puzzle consisting of a square cut into 7 flat shapes which can be arranged to form various other shapes like numbers, alphabets or pictures without overlapping. Let's begin the tutorial. This is a Tangram alphabet A in uppercase. A Tangram capital letter B, capital C, Tangram letter D, Tangram letter E, Tangram F. A small request, do consider subscribing to Junction for more such helpful videos. Alphabet G, Tangram H, Tangram letter I, Tangram letter J, Tangram K, Tangram letter L, Tangram letter M, Tangram letter N, Tangram letter O, Tangram P, Tangram letter Q, Tangram letter R, Tangram S, Tangram letter T, Tangram letter U, Tangram letter V, Tangram W, Tangram letter X, Tangram letter Y, Tangram letter Z. This was a tutorial of how to make the uppercase Tangram alphabets A to Z. Hope you found this video helpful. Do subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified of the new videos. Sharing few more videos and link to the Tangrams playlist. Do check them out. You may find them helpful. Thank you for visiting Hems Junction.